Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Thrift Books. We want to negotiate and we want to present about our company that is Thrift Book that located in Seattle, Washington, like the main branch. Here's the number and the emails. And the next slide is about organizational chart. We had our history that our main branch were uh, built in Seattle, Washington at summer of 2003 by Daryl Butcher and Jason Mayer. Our products is mostly pre-loved books that we buy from the author, and our location right now is 7 warehouses across the United States, and also we want to build one in warehouses in Indonesia by negotiating with Shopee. And our achievement is we had our books one of the bestseller in eBay, Epic Books, and also Amazon. This is the example of our books. The first is about The Fault in Our Star by John Green, and then the second of Fault in Our Star, and then Harry Potter series, and also The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho, that is mostly were fiction and romance book. Our bestseller is fiction book that is popular in adult, especially in Indonesia. We had some research that adult in Indonesia and also some adult in the world love romance and also fiction book. And this is our website that is thriftbooks.com that the customer can access to find our books and also to order our books. Not They can also pre-order and get discount from that website. But we want to expand the scale of the scope. So we want to join with Shopee so we could increase the scope, especially in Indonesia. That is Shopee very popular in Indonesia. I think that's all. Thank you for the attention, and also if there's any question, please ask. Thank you so much.
Okay, firstly, I want to thank you for inviting us to the meeting today. Here I am and my four colleagues who are representative of the Shopee company. I think thank you for your presentation about the thrift book company. So I think I have question about the general question. Uh, when we collaborate with the thrift book, uh, what are the benefits we will get when working with the thrift book?
For the benefit, I think because we had some research before on about physical book that is uh, had a place, especially in Indonesia and also America, like the penjualan tuh, the sales in Indonesia about physical book is increasing because the adults are really like to read in physical in these days. We had some research that we found that book with physical, but so that uh, firstly we want to prove to Shopee that we could increase and menarik the interest of adults in Indonesia. So we want to sell in Shopee, sell our products in Shopee first, like the using not official store but only freebooks.com Biasanya di cutting ya. Gimana tadi pertanyaan? Dengar aku.
So you think about how many people still choose to use ebooks nowadays?
Oh, so what do you think about people choosing e-books than physical?
Yeah, ebooks and physical books.
Oh yeah. It's okay, I think, because most people would prefer like the more simple things, but from the perspective of our company that we want to sell about books that in physical. So in our company we only sell about physical books. So I think it's okay for ebooks too, but in adults also maybe it's popular the ebooks. The ebooks is also popular because it's more simple. But we want to boost like you also want to the adults to find physical books more attractive because of the price and also the aesthetics and also anything. I think that's all. We want to push about how we want adults to find physical books more attractive. Is there any question?
And so how can you compete with the ebooks?
Oh yes. For that we communicate with author like the real author, and then we take the books that is pre-loved from the author that is limited, or maybe uh, books that is very rare in for the author. We also connect with the Indonesian author and also the other author in abroad, so uh, we will buy the murah aja biasanya. Pokoknya buku-buku turah dari autor itu kita ikut sisa dari autor 100, misalkan 100 buku, mereka jual 100 buku. Kita kejualnya 80. Terus 20-nya kita beli dengan secara grosir bid. We bought the 20 with harga langsung 20 batch itu kita beli dengan harga murah, kemudian kita jual harga persatuannya dengan harga lebih lebih mahal atau lebih murah dengan keuntungan lah. Pokoknya bagi-bagi keuntungan begitu. We will connect to the author. Is there any more question?
And what are the weakness and strengths of this book so that later it can be minimized for this?
Yeah. In English.
What are the weakness and strengths of thrift book so that later it can be minimized for risk?
Oh.
The risky.
The race and also the strength.
Yeah.
Strength.
The weakness and strength to minimize risk.
Wait. So we want to say about our strength and also weaknesses. Our strength first is about we connect to the author, and also we had some experience about how we sell the books, and we also had some achievement in US that we sell our books in annual. We had like 150 millions per year, 150 million dollars per year, and then from the strength in Indonesia, I think we had some research for Indonesia that we do before entering the market. So, and also we had uh, our packaging, like beautifully packaging for the books, and also we connect to the author first. So the books is really what's it called, masih rapi bersih gitulah pokoknya, masih kualitasnya is with high quality. Kalau weaknessnya atau risknya mungkin e-books itu ya, mungkin e-books termasuk salah satu weakness, the risk of it, because like not some of people want to read physical books, but based on the research that we do this years, like 5 years, like the sales of books, of physical books, is increased on the good. So I think we can prevent and also uh, minimize the risk of it. And also our weaknesses, maybe we had oh, the weakness is maybe we had some author that is very hard to connect. Also we had to communicate with the author. It's very hard because like not some author want to sell their book in thrift. And I think that's all for our weaknesses and our strength and risks. Thank you. Is there any more question? And for Shopee, if we want to ask something about how Shopee works, in that we could collab with if in the future, I hope. The first is how is how will we collaborate with Shopee about the warehousing solution and to preserve the book quality. So if we collaborate with Shopee, how is the warehousing that jadi pengiriman gitu, pengiriman warehousing, inventory. Jadi intinya pokoknya gudangnya Shopee itu apakah akan preserve the quality dari kita, karena kita kan mau collab dengan Shopee ke depannya, bukan bukan apa namanya sebagai shop, tapi sebagai kolaborator partner langsung dari Shopee begitu jangka panjang. Like we want to include in Shopee, Shopee, there's category books that we had like the official collaborator as thrift books, like that. So we want to ask about the warehousing on how Shopee preserve warehouse quality, so they can keep first for the first question. And then the second question is how's the pricing strategies Shopee's had. So we had uh, how to import and and then to make the import books competitive in Indonesian market. I think pricing strategy is like how to divide the profit on or and else. the revenue we got. And then how Shopee makes the customer service more efficient to enhance user trust. And also the last is about how do we join market, like how do Shopee prefer to thrift book about the join market. Is that like what Shopee prefer about the join about our company, what Shopee
Consumer enthusiast. Consumer enthusiast.
to boost consumer enthusiasm. If you want to ask about more, maybe I could repeat the question.
Okay. I think I will answer the first question about warehouse. Um, Shopee have a warehouse in Asia, like Indonesia, Filipina, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. India, Taiwan, Europe, America, Brazil, Mexico, Colombia, Argentina, and etc. And when thrift book sell the book to Indonesia, mungkin bisa melakukan pengiriman dengan melakukan pengiriman ke warehouse-warehouse yang sudah saya sebutkan tadi, yang di berbagai di Asia Tenggara. Nah, nanti untuk pengiriman itu bisa melalui warehouse-warehouse tersebut lalu dikirimkan ke Indonesia. Dan untuk pertanyaan mengenai customer trust atau bagaimana caranya supaya customer bisa percaya kepada Shopee dan Thriftbook dan mungkin bisa melakukan repurchase kembali, yaitu dengan mungkin dimulai dari Thriftbook sendiri, yaitu melakukan pengiriman barang yang sesuai dengan yang dipesan oleh customer dan di packing aman mungkin, supaya nanti karena pengiriman dari luar negeri mungkin ada beberapa benturan atau mungkin ada kerusakan, bisa mengantisipasi tersebut dan customer akan merasa puas bahwa produk tersebut akan datang dengan sesuai yang diharapkan dan sesuai dengan buku yang sudah dipesan. Seperti itu. Mungkin untuk pricing akan dijawab dengan tim saya yang lainnya.
And about the warehousing, can we choose like can we choose the destination of about warehousing like the Thailand or maybe Philippines? And can you recommend where is the warehouse that is trusted for the Asian branches of Shopee?
I think the best warehouse what we recommended is Singapore.
Is there any like the house Singapore maybe more, what makes Singapore more ideal for the branches warehouse branches?
I think Singapore is the base of for beer house because it close to Indonesia, so the shipping costs are low or cheaper.
Oh, okay, okay. Thank you.
Sebelum dia ngomong.
For selling strategy pricing-nya itu ada 3 metode, yaitu metode markup pricing, yang kedua metode margin pricing, dan terakhir metode value based pricing.
Then you want to ask also for the next question is about bagaimana upaya pemasaran bersama agar kita menonjolkan kolaborasi kita dan apa melalui website Shopee lah intinya. Pokoknya kita bagaimana upaya pemasaran jika kita collab gitu. Pemasaran bersamanya gimana? Biar kita tuh collab gitu. Gitu. Udah gitu.
Baik, untuk strategi pemasaran dari Shopee sendiri untuk kerjasama dengan Thriftbook, mungkin untuk meningkatkan apa ya? Untuk meningkatkan branding dari Thriftbook sendiri, dari Shopee mungkin akan memberikan papan nama atau tampilan layar utama di Shopee. Kalau buka Shopee itu kan ada di bagian berandanya ada yang di slide bar itu, yang di atas sendiri. Nah, itu ada berbagai event-event ataupun kolaborasi dari Shopee sendiri dengan brand-brand lainnya. Nah, mungkin untuk Thriftbook nanti bisa join untuk hal tersebut karena hal pertama ketika kita membuka Shopee itu kita akan melihat beranda atau tampilan utama yang itu di mana ada slide bar-nya. Nah, itu bisa kita taruh untuk strategi promosi di bagian halaman utama Shopee tersebut. Seperti itu.
Oke, thank you, thank you.
Okay, I think next we will maybe discuss about the risks for the future for minimizing the risks.
Gimana?
Kenapa baru kali ya?
We will discuss about the risks to minimize the future risk.
Okay, for you, question for you.
Yes.
If the book will be shipped from overseas, can you guarantee that the book will arrive without any defects?
Oh yes, yes. Wait. And from the Irfan Ahmad question, we will answer that we already sort the books out there from the author, and also we had some warehouse in the USA, if and also abroad other than USA, if we had. So we had the warehouse that sort books that is already no defect, had no defect, and if there is a, any defect, it's the fault of the delivery, and maybe our staff that not sort not sorting the perfect book, but they had they make mistakes in the warehouse. And from the warehouse is also that in the warehouse only had a perfect books with no defects. So we guarantee from the warehouse that it has no defects. And if it has defect, it will the mistakes is on the delivery or the staff we had on the warehouse.
Okay, thank you for the answer about the guarantee, and I think it will be the last question for Shopee company. What strategies will be carried out to make this product or to make the thrift book? Because maybe there are still many who do not about the thrift book. So what is your strategy to untuk menarik customer dari Indonesia itu seperti apa?
Sorry, can you repeat?
Okay, for the question is about the strategy for thrift book untuk memasarkan produknya, dikarenakan mungkin banyak orang yang masih belum mengenal tentang thrift book itu apa, dan bagaimana caranya kalian itu untuk menarik perhatian dari customer untuk membeli produk-produk kalian seperti itu.
Baik, izin menjawab pertanyaan dari Mbak Syafri. Apakah terdengar?
Ya, terdengar. Silakan.
Oke, baik-baik. Jadi, to attract consumers from Indo, everyone will directly notice from the name that Thrift is second book. Jadi, orang itu yang kami tahu, orang di Indonesia itu udah mulai mengenal yang namanya thrift. Jadi apapun itu namanya thrift baju ataupun thrift box, itu mereka sudah mengenal. Baik, jadi maaf ya ada kendala sedikit. Jadi sudah bisa dipastikan kalau di Indonesia itu orang udah mengenal yang namanya thrift box. Nah, jadi untuk menarik konsumen dari Indonesia, jadi ibaratnya gini, pasar kita kan orang yang pengen cari buku ya. Jadi dan kami itu bisa memastikan produk kami itu benar-benar bisa dipertanggungjawabkan. Emang sudah punya branding sendiri. Jadi dan juga orang yang pengen beli buku ini nggak awam-awam banget lah. Mereka tuh udah tahu, oh ini penjualannya bagus, oh ini memang benar-benar dari deskripsinya itu kita jelaskan produknya kita itu bagaimana, terus bukunya itu kondisinya bagaimana. Jadi mereka itu sudah bisa memilih sendiri. Nah, jadi emang kami itu sudah punya personal brandingnya sendiri. Dan yang peminat buku pasti tahu itu.
Baik, untuk personal branding dari Thriftbook sendiri itu yang dimaksud itu karena basicnya dari Thriftbook itu dari luar negeri, yang dimaksud personal branding itu mungkin personal branding di luar negeri atau di Indonesianya. Karena mungkin dari tim saya sendiri dari Shopee Company yang menjadi perwakilan pada hari ini masih belum mengerti atau masih belum mengenal terkait dengan Thriftbook. Dan memang benar bahwa di Indonesia memang marak dengan yang namanya thrift, cuman thriftbook dan thrifting baju itu mungkin kategori yang berbeda. Kalau thrift baju itu memang sangat marak di Indonesia. Cuman untuk thriftbook itu mungkin bisa menjadi daya saing dengan pre-love yang ada di Indonesia, seperti yang di Shopee itu memang ada yang menjual pre-love buku dan itu berasal dari Indonesia sendiri. Nah, yang saya tanyakan itu bagaimana caranya dari thriftbook itu untuk menarik customer dari Indonesia sendiri. Dan tiap-tiap buku dari yang Thriftbook jual itu kan pasti punya kategorinya sendiri-sendiri dan itu punya market segmennya sendiri-sendiri gitu. Jadi yang ingin saya tanyakan adalah strategi apa yang akan kalian lakukan untuk menarik minat para customer di Indonesia.
Jadi begini, personal branding yang dimaksud ini karena kami itu perusahaan dari luar negeri. Luar negeri ini kan punya kategori barang yang harus dijual. Kualitasnya pun harus tetap dijaga walaupun itu thrift box. Setahu kami, kategori penjualan produk itu lebih ketat di luar negeri daripada di Indonesia itu sendiri. Jadi kami bisa yakin kalau misalnya produk kami ini autentik, benar-benar autentik dari tangan pertama author. Dan juga di Indonesia ini kan kalau misalnya mereka peminat buku seperti novel, mereka pasti ingin membeli novel itu dari tangan autornya langsung, kopian pertama, tapi dengan harga yang murah. Nah, jadi kami menyediakan itu. Dan bagaimana ya? Kami juga kalau misalnya strateginya itu ya, pertama dari sosial media. kami tentunya punya sosial media dan website yang benar-benar sudah memberitahu produk kami itu bagaimana. Lalu juga di Shopee, kalau misalnya orang belanja itu kan harus melihat ulasan dan deskripsinya. Nah, dari situ kami akan memperjelas bagaimana produk kami sehingga mereka itu tertarik, seperti kami memberikan bukti pada slide-slide foto produk, keaslian dari buku-buku novel tersebut, lalu ulasan-ulasan yang pernah ada di situ, dan itu saya rasa cukup untuk menarik keyakinan konsumen di Indonesia untuk percaya belanja di Thrift Books. Gitu.
Okay, thank you for the answer from Thrift Book Company. I think that's enough for this meeting, because after this we will also have a meeting with the leadership, and if there is still a question, we will meet in the next meeting, or you can send text on the email of Shopee Company.
I'm sorry, can you repeat again?
Okay, I think it's enough for today for the meeting, because after this we will also have a meeting with the leadership, and if still there is a question, you can invite me to the next meeting or send the email on Shopee.
Okay, thank you for attending our meeting for the Shopee team. And thank you for the attention for all the staff from Shopee team. Thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.